I'm going to do a demo of a sample that shows how to use the Programmable Mind to make a voice-controlled Pipboy, like from the Fallout 3 game. Yeah, so what do we got? So normally this would be behind a voice control system. I have a video where I actually had voice control working, but then there's some bug and I haven't got around to fixing it yet. So I'll just type in the text because I'm just demoing my thing, which takes the text, interprets it, and does stuff, not the sound into text, which is voice recognition. So just show a voice controlled Pipboy, show the weapons. Oh, it doesn't have a spell check because it's supposed to be behind a voice control and adding a spell check's easy. So down 3, up 2, select, unselect. So it has words for manipulating the UI in addition to words specific to the Pipboy. Show the aid. Show the status. Wear a suit. So if there's more than one suit, so it asks you which one. Down, select. Disarm. So this is just whatever I felt like adding as commands to the Pipboy. Wear a hat. So there's only one hat, so he just puts it on. Call this the city outfit. So I added this new functionality where you can you can name your apparel and weapons. So now this is called the city outfit. Strip. Wear armor. So there's only one piece of armor, so it didn't ask me which ones I wanted. Equip a shotgun. There is no shotgun. So it's integrated with the current state of the application because it's written to know that. It isn't a train thing, it's a program thing. So it knows the current state of the application exactly as it is. Equip a pistol, and it responds accordingly. So just pick that one. Select. Equip the highest damage pistol, so you don't have to look through and find out that. So that's the highest damage pistol. Call this the battle outfit. So now this is called the battle outfit. So I can switch between outfits. Wear the city outfit. So now I'm not armed because the city outfit didn't have any weapons. Show the apparel. And I'm not wearing the armor anymore. I'm wearing the city outfit clothes. I already did the weapons. So wear the battle outfit. So I got the leather armor on, the weapons, and I'm armed again. So that's I like that. It's kind of a cool feature. Apply 10 stim packs. So again, it knows the current state of the character in the game. Equip the lowest damage pistol. So the items have properties, and damage is one of the properties, and so then you can ask for the highest or the lowest damage one. And you might ask, what are the types of item properties? What are the types of item properties? Those are the types of item properties. And it can also do 10 plus 6, 60. So that's a demo of that. So let's just look at the source code. So over here, this page lists all the knowledge modules, which are reusable. For this demo, I was using this one that I wrote, the Pipboy knowledge module. Come on. These are currently the types of sentences it does. And this is the initial knowledge where you can tell it stuff. You can program it in two ways, by telling it stuff and programming stuff. So this is what I told it. And the reason that telling it stuff works is because it reuses other knowledge modules that know how to interpret those sentences, like the hierarchy knowledge module. So that's why you can tell it, meat is food or whatever. Yeah. that's that. Oh, and then so we can look at the source code for this. Unlike like an LLM, where when you create it, you train an LLM, and then the training produces a matrix of a billion or more numbers or whatever, and that encodes the program and the data. The programmable mind's entirely programmed. You can explain all of the computation logically, and you can look at the source code and debug all the source code. This is source code here. How many lines is it? 528 lines of source code, all debuggable. The way it works is sort of it takes language and then interprets the language, and then it calls an API, this is the API here. So it calls an API, close it, based on, so it'll do the language stuff, then it'll call the API. This is a default one just for testing. Yeah, so when I used it in the web app, what I did was I instantiated this knowledge module, and then I just implemented this API, which provides the connection between the language layer and the application state. And I accidentally made the server with the web page for this private, but I'll make it public and put a link up so you can see how that works. But it's basically, you're just in your app, you just implement this API, then when the language runs, it ultimately calls this API, which knows about your application state to do stuff. Did I mention everything? Okay, yeah, I think that's it. So that's the end of the demo. I'll probably add more stuff to this as time goes on. I'm going to do the fast food one. I'm going to add more to that first, though.